Morning everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. This is AJ here. Now we are going to discuss clocks part 2. Now just look at into the problem in second part of the clocks. Just find out the angle between minute hand and hour hand. Okay, first we'll just check with this minute hand and hour hand 6:50. Now time is 6:50. Now time is 6:50. Here the hour hand will be at here, not exactly on 6, not exactly on 6, and minute hand will be exactly on 10. Okay, minute hand always on exactly minutes 10, and this is nothing but 6. So 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces is there, 4 spaces. So 4 into 30 is nothing but 120. But here this hour hand is moves towards 7. If exactly at 6, then it is 120. It moves, that means angle will be reduced. How much reduced? 50 minutes. 50 minutes into 1 by 2. 50 minutes into 1 by 2. What's that? 25 minutes. 25 minutes. This will be 25 minutes. So 25 minutes reduced. So the answer is 95. Is it clear? Now the same thing, I given the formula in the first class. In the clock once, I given the formula to you. What's that formula? 30H minus 11 by 2 minutes. This is nothing but degree theta. Okay, now based on this formula you just solve the same thing. What is the hour here? 6, right? So 30 into 6 minus 11 by 2 into how many minutes is there? 50 minutes into 50 minutes. Now 30 into 6 is nothing but 180. Okay, 180 minus, so 25 into 11. 25 into 11, it means nothing but 25 times 275, right? 275. Now what is it? 275 minus 180. 275 minus 180. 180. It's nothing but 95 degrees. And I said it's a modulus. Then here also we'll get 95 degrees. Same, right? By using the formula also same. By using the traditional smart way also is 95. So which one is easy? That one will be easy compared to this calculations. So 11 into 25, 275, and 180 minus 275. It is all the things. It will be take much time. So instead of this, we can use that traditional and smart way. Okay. Now we'll go for the next question, and now we'll check these things. It is also same thing. No worries. It also no same thing. Now check here. What is the angle between minute hand and hour hand at 10:10? At exactly 10:10. Now we just do with traditional method. How we are going to do in the traditional method? So this will be the clock, and time will shows 10:10. So our hand will be like this, and minute hand will be like this. Is it clear? Now 10:10. What is the angle? We need to find out the angle between these two, right? So this is 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. How many spaces is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 spaces. Each space will be 30 degrees. So 4 spaces is nothing but 120 degrees. 120 minus or plus So exactly 10, it is 120 degrees. But 10 minutes after 10 minutes, it will move towards 11. So angle will be reduced. So this is the total angle 120. This is the total angle. This will be the reduced angle. So how many minutes? 10 minutes. 10 by 10 into 1 by 2. So it is 5. So it's minus 5. Nothing but 115 degrees. Is it right? 115 degrees. Now, same thing. It just try to solve by formula. What's the formula? 30h minus 11 by 2 minute. Okay. What's the 30h here? 30 into 10 minus 11 by 2 into how many minutes? 10 minutes. Now, what is the next one? 300 minus 55. 300 minus 2 5 are 10. 5 into 11, 55. Now, what's the answer here? 55 minus 300, 245, right? 245 only, right? But based by using the formula, we got 245. By using the formula, we got 245. But traditional method, which I said, it is nothing but 115. Is it right? 115. So which one is correct? This one or this one? Which one is correct? The traditional method is correct or formula is correct? Which one is correct here in this two? So here both are correct only, but still people will confuse. So which answer will take? Which answer will take? So obviously we have to consider this answer only. Why? It is less than 180 degrees. Okay, you need to consider the degree less than 180, less than 180. If you got the degree, if you got the answer above the 180, 245 is more than 180, then this degree, this angle called as reflex angle. Reflex angle. This one is called as reflex angle. So we need always normal angle. That's nothing but just below 115, sorry, below 180, you have to consider. Suppose if you got like this 245, then what we have to do? This is reflex angle, I said. So just subtract from 360. 360 minus 245. 360 minus 245. What is this? 115. We'll get exact answer. This is exact answer, but this one is reflex angle. Reflex angle. Remember this thing. Okay, remember this thing. Very, very important. If you anytime if you got more than 180, just subtract from 360. Just subtract from 360, that one. Okay, is it clear? Now, we just solve this one. Then we'll move for the next type of the problems. Solve this one and give the answer. What is the angle between minute hand and hour hand at 12:35? 12:35. How it will be looks like? Is the angle. This is the time. This watch. Then 12:35. 12:35. So our hand will be like this, and this will be like this. Just try to solve this by using formula. This angle just solve by using the formula. Then say what will be the answer you are getting. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's the intervals here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 180 intervals. 180 intervals. And now if it is 30 minutes, it's 30 minutes. This this our hand will move towards 1, towards 1. That means angle will reduce, angle will reduce. So how much is reduced? 30, 30 into 1 by 2. So 15. So it's nothing but 160. Sorry, 35, right? Sorry. I said 35, right? Sorry, I said 35. As I said 30. Forgot now. This will be at this point. No. What's the answer? By using formula you get. By using formula you got. By using formula you got 192, right? By using the formula you got 192.5. By using the formula you just getting the 192.5. But is this a correct angle? No, it is a reflex angle. It is a reflex angle. Then you just subtract this from 360. 360 minus 192.5. Then it is nothing but 177.5. Is it clear? Now we'll move for the second type. Coincide. Coincide. Second type of the problems they will ask. Coincide or together. Together or overlap. Overlap. Maybe they call maybe a together, maybe overlap and coincide. Whatever they ask, this is nothing but how it will be, how this clock will be overlapping is or but now exactly now time will be exactly 12. Think 12. Okay, 12. No, this is our hand and this will be the minute hand. So both exactly 12, the both our hand and minute hand will shows exactly 12, right? At the time of exactly 12, the both our hand and minute hand will shows exactly 12. So that means both hands are in single line, same line, are coincide. These two are coinciding now, are together, are overlapping. Okay, overlap. So whatever you call, so this is now the angle between these two. Angle between these two, what is the angle between these two? 0. Angle between these two is nothing but 0 because it is overlapping. It is overlapping. Now, the question will be asked like this. Question will be asked like this. At what time between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock will the hands of a clock be together or coincide or overlap? They will ask like this. So what they're asking, at 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock, at between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock, when it will coincide, at what time exactly, it will coincide. So what's happened here in generally, see, this will be the clock, think, okay, and this will be the, okay, first this is a 3 and this is, sorry, this is 3 and this is 4, 5, 6, okay, 12, 1, 2, okay. No, 3 o'clock. I think it is a 3 o'clock. I think it is a 3 o'clock. Now, what happened here? This is the minute hand. Okay, consider this is a minute hand. Consider this is a minute hand. Okay. Whenever time starts, so at 3 o'clock, think it's a 3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock, this will start from minute hand. It will start from here and it's moving on, moving like this, moving like this. At one time, it's coincide and it is move forward and it's going towards continuing its journey up to 12. Okay, right? So which one will coincide here? Minute hand will coincide and it passes away. This comes from 12 o'clock and any one time it coincide and moving on like this, just pass away from the hour hand, right? This will be happen. Now, if it is moving, like this, if it is moving like this, and suppose now it's at 3:10, now it's at 3:10. Okay, now is our hand, it's our hand will be the same position? No, right? It is also moving like this. It is also moving like this. Why? Every 1 minute, our hand also will move half degree, right? Right? Is it clear? So we cannot say it will be coincide at 3:15. Exactly 3:15. It cannot be coincide because at 3:15, time is 3:15 now, but our hand, where will be our hand? It is somewhat, it moves towards 4. Do you understand what I'm saying? Minute hand will be at exactly 3. That means 3:15. But our hand is not at the same position. It is also moves towards 4. How many minutes it moves? Like this. Somewhat it moves, maybe 15 means 7.5 degrees. It is not exactly in the same line, but like this only if it is moving. So one place it should be coincide. Both are coincide like this. Both are coincide like this. Exactly. They'll coincide. Both the things will be coincide. Okay. Now we have to find out that time. How we are going to find out that time? So it should be in generally common sense. If you are using a common sense, it should be in 3 to 4. It should be between in 3 to 4, right? 3 to 4. After, from here, it will move, right? Move on. It will passes. It will passes like this. So it cannot be coincide again. So before 4 only, it going to be coincide with this. So that time should be between 3:15 and 3:20. Is it clear? First, just common sense, ma. Just common sense I'm saying. So it will be overlap or coincide in between this only. In between this, at that time, 3:15, 3:20. 3:15, if it is there here, it's a 3:15. If it is there here, 3:20. So in between 3:15 and 3:20, it will coincide. Just common sense. Up to this, you just understand the concept here. It will coincide between 3:15 and 3:20. Okay, leave this aside. Okay, now we're going to solve this by using the formula first. Okay, what is that formula? We know that formula is nothing but 30H minus 11/2 equal to degrees. What's the degree when it is coincide? Both are in coincide, then degree will be 0, right? 0. Now we know the degree. Now which one we don't know here? Minute we don't know. What's the hour here? 30 into 3 hour. 3 hours only, right? 3. They given 3 to 4. That means 3 into 3 minus 11/2 m. We don't know the minutes. 3 hours, some minutes. 3 hour, some minutes. That some minutes will be more than 15. Damn sure. Less than 20. Is it clear? Now is equal to 0. Now just take 11 by 2 at that side. So 13 to 3 is nothing but 90 equal to 11 by 2. Now 11 by 2 m. 11 by 2 m. Now just take 2 this side. 90 into 2. So 90 into 2 equal to 11 m. 11 m. And 180 equal to 11 m. So m equal to 180 by 11. So just this is a normal fraction. Convert into the mixed fraction. Convert into the mixed fraction. Convert into the mixed fraction. What is the mixed fraction here? 11 ones, 11 ones, and see, 11 ones, 11 ones is 11. So 70 will be there. 16. So 16. So 16 is the thing. The remaining how much is there? 60 means 66. So 4 will be there. So 16 4 by 11. 16 4 by 11. So 3 hours 16 minutes 4 by 11. 3 hours convert into mixed fraction ma. 3 hours 16 1 4 by 11 minutes. After 3 16 4 by 11 minutes, it will coincide. Okay, it will coincide. Okay, this is the general formula. Like that you have to do. So this calculation you have to do like this, and this will get right 180 by 11 or whatever it may be, by 11 only will get. Whatever it may be, by 11 only will get. Why? Here 11 will be going this side, right? So 11 m will get. So m will be 11 is numerator. Okay, so always 11 will be numerator. So if you are converting to mixed fraction, 3 hours 16 4 by 11 minutes, the both will be coincide. The both will be coincide in the position here, and this will be coincide like this. Okay, 16 minutes 4 by 11 minutes, it is coincide. But so instead of doing these things, I'll say very small trick, very easy, very simple trick I'll say. Now what they're asking, 3 to 4, right? 3 to 4, when it will coincide or together they're asking, right? So it definitely 3 o'clock, and it should be 3 to 4, in between 3 to 4 only, right? 3 to 4. When it, where it will be coincide? Where it will be coincide? The hour hand and the minute hand. And the minute hand will coincide like this, where just 3 and 4 between, 3 and 4 between, right? So 3 and 4 between it will coincide. Now 3 and 4 between coincide means, so which one is a small number? Which one is a small number? 3, right? Just take 3. Okay, 3 indicates how many minutes? 3 represents how many minutes? 15 minutes. Okay, right. Now 15 minutes, 3 will represent 15 minutes. Now our answer is directly 15 by 11. 15 by 11. Okay, our answer is nothing but 15 by 11. So 15 by 11, it is not enough clear format. So it just convert into mixed fraction. 15, just keep the 15. This 15 keep like this, and 15 by 11 convert into the mixed fraction. It's nothing but 1 4 by 11, right? 1 4 by 11. So this one is added to this 16 4 by 11. So our answer is 3 16 4 by 11. Our answer is 3 16 4 by 11. So what I done here, just which one is smallest number? Which one is smallest number? 3. So 3 represents 15 minutes. Then we know this. So directly our answer will be 15 by 11. If it is not in a proper fraction, then convert into mixed fraction. 15, keep like this only. And 15 by 11 is nothing but 1 4 by 11. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. 11 into 1 plus 4. 15 by 11. So this 1 is added to this. 15. 16 4 by 11. Okay. This is nothing. This is our answer. 3 hours, 16 minutes, 16 4 by 11 minutes. It is an easy one, very easy shortcut. So by using this, we can say without using pen and paper, we can solve the answers. So now, look into same another question. 6 and 7. 6 and 7. What is the time between 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock? Will the hands will together? So what I said, 6 and 7. It will coincide in between only, right? 6 will be, 7 will be there, 6 will be there. So both hands will be coincide like this only. Okay, like this only. Now, which one is small one? 6. 6 represents 30 minutes. 6 represents 30 minutes. So our answer is nothing but 30 by 11. 30 by 11. So convert this in proper fraction, mixed fractions. 30 by 11 is nothing but 2 8 by 11, right? 11 2s 22 plus 8, 30 by 11. So these 2 is going to be add from here. So 30 plus 2, 32. 32 8 by 11 is our answer. It is simple, right? 6 hours 32 minutes, 8 by 11 minute. We get the coincide both. Okay. If you want to check, is it clear, guys? Is it clear? No, the shortcut. It's very easy shortcut. Okay. Now we just try with another question. When it will move 1, 2, between 1 and 2, between 1 and 2, between 1 and 2. What's our answer? Just say, without pen and paper, you can say it should be lies between the both hands, lies between 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Which one is a small one? Which one is a small one? 1, right? So 1 represents 5 minutes. 5 minutes, right? 1 represents 5 minutes. So 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is the answer. But this is a proper fraction only. This is proper fraction only. So no need to